Hello, welcome to Donview booth. My name is Peter. We are a professional manufacturer for interactive touch panels, 27 years. This model you are looking at is driven by infrared and optical bonding technology. There's no gap between the glass and the screen to make the writing more accurate. It supports ultra-fine writing and 20 points. Here are function ports of HDMI, Touch USB, and Type-C. They are all automatic recognition. You can see the frame is very slim, fashionable, and strong. Here is dock meeting camera with wide viewing angles. You can switch it to Windows system by one click. We also provide you powerful presentation software. Alright, if you are interested, you can visit our website donview.com.cn or directly contact with me. Thank you.